The world of military aviation is on the verge of a major change. With rapid advancements in technology, the landscape of aerial combat is evolving faster than ever before. Boeing is developing a new system called REVOLVER, which stands for Rapid Engagement Vehicle for Overwhelming Lethal and Versatile Offensive Response. This cutting-edge technology is set to revolutionize military aviation. This system could change how wars are fought by introducing unprecedented speed and precision in combat scenarios. The REVOLVER system is designed to enhance strategic capabilities and provide a significant tactical edge. REVOLVER will launch hypersonic missiles, which can travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5. These missiles are capable of reaching their targets in a matter of minutes, making them a formidable addition to any military arsenal. These missiles are very fast and hard to stop. Their high speed and maneuverability make them nearly impossible to intercept, providing a decisive advantage in modern warfare. This technology will make the United States Air Force much stronger. By integrating the REVOLVER system, the Air Force will be able to respond to threats more quickly and effectively than ever before. The race for hypersonic weapons is a big deal for countries all over the world. Nations are investing heavily in research and development to gain an edge in this new era of military technology. The United States is leading the way with new technologies. REVOLVER is a game changer, setting a new standard for military capabilities and strategic dominance. It will give our military a big advantage. The ability to deploy hypersonic missiles quickly and accurately will enhance our defensive and offensive operations. This system is important for keeping our country safe. By staying ahead in the technological race, we ensure our national security and maintain a position of strength on the global stage. REVOLVER stands for Rapid Engagement Launch Vehicle with enhanced operational reach and versatility. It is a complex system. REVOLVER is designed to launch hypersonic missiles from the air. It is carried by a plane. The system is made to carry many missiles at once. It can launch them quickly. This means that the enemy has less time to react. REVOLVER is still being developed. It has to be tested. When it is ready, it will be a very powerful weapon. The C-17 Globemaster III is a very important plane for the U.S. Air Force. It can carry a lot of cargo. This includes troops, vehicles, and supplies. It can land on short runways. It can even land on dirt runways. This makes it perfect for getting to hard-to-reach places. The C-17 is also very reliable. It can fly in all kinds of weather. It is easy to maintain. This makes it a valuable asset for the military. The C-17 is a symbol of American air power. Section 4, X-51, a waverider surfing the hypersonic wave. The X-51A waverider is a marvel of modern engineering, representing the cutting edge of hypersonic technology. The X-51A waverider is a hypersonic missile, capable of reaching speeds that were once thought impossible. It is very different from other missiles, with its sleek design and advanced materials that can withstand extreme conditions. It can fly at more than 5 times the speed of sound. That's very, very fast. To put it in perspective, it can travel from New York to Los Angeles in under 30 minutes. It is also very maneuverable, able to change direction quickly and evade defenses. This makes it hard to shoot down as traditional anti-aircraft systems struggle to keep up with its speed and agility. The X-51A is powered by a scramjet engine, a revolutionary type of engine that compresses air at high speeds to achieve incredible thrust. This type of engine is very efficient at high speeds, allowing the missile to maintain its velocity over long distances. The X-51A is still being tested, with each flight providing valuable data to improve its performance. It has already made history, breaking records and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. This missile shows how advanced American technology is, demonstrating the nation's commitment to maintaining air superiority and advancing aerospace innovation. Section 5. A strategic leap, reshaping the battlefield of tomorrow. The REVOLVER system and the X-51A waverider are a big deal. These cutting-edge technologies represent a significant leap forward in military capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in modern warfare. Together, they could change how we fight wars. By integrating advanced systems and hypersonic speeds, they offer unprecedented strategic advantages on the battlefield. Hypersonic missiles are hard to stop. Their incredible speed and maneuverability make traditional defense systems almost obsolete, challenging existing military doctrines. They can hit targets anywhere in the world. This global reach means that no location is beyond the strike capabilities of these advanced weapons, altering the strategic landscape. This will give the United States a big advantage. By maintaining technological superiority, the US can deter potential adversaries and protect its interest more effectively. Some people are worried about this technology. They fear that the rapid advancement in military tech could lead to unintended consequences and escalate conflicts. They think it is too dangerous. The potential for misuse or accidents with such powerful weapons raises significant ethical and safety concerns. They think it could lead to a new arms race. As nations strive to match or surpass these capabilities, the risk of an arms race increases, potentially destabilizing global security. But the United States says it needs this technology. Officials argue that staying ahead in military technology is crucial for national security and maintaining global stability. We need it to stay ahead of our enemies. In a world where threats are constantly evolving, having the most advanced technology ensures that the US can respond swiftly and decisively to any challenge. Section 6 Conclusion. The Revolver System is a major development in military technology. It has the potential to change the way wars are fought. The combination of the C-17 and the X-51A is a game changer. The United States is a leader in hypersonic technology. This system proves that. Only time will tell how it will be used in the future.